You're bidding on a portable Parker KARRYKRIMP. This is a model 82C-080. It comes complete with the bigger inner pack pump. I forgot the number, that's a P something, that's the bigger one. It comes with 5 dyes, a red, a black, a blue, a yellow, a green, and their corresponding these rings and a pusher. Comes with the hose. This item here is in very nice physical condition. You want to flip that.
Oh, I have to stand up.
You pull the pin. I don't know. This is something that I guess if you're looking at it, you know more about it than we do. This item, the cylinder is leaking. It is functioning, but the cylinder is leaking and it probably needs a new wiper seal or something. It doesn't look like it's got a lot of use on it. Maybe it's been sitting for a while and it's dry. I don't know. We don't work on them. You're seeing it just as we got it. These appear to be in very nice condition. Everything is complete here. The pump is nice and functioning. A lot of value for the bucks. That's what it is. Good luck bidding.